on the table of the House.
माननीय सदस्य,
So my supplementary is regarding the context of India's rising NCT burden, where early diagnosis is very much critical. Will the government ensure that underserved districts receive timely sanction and fully functional diagnostic facilities, especially MRI machines, under PM Abhim Yojana with mandatory technician support and maintenance contracts? Further, what steps are being taken to address the chronic issue of irregular pay and lack of social security and disparity which is being faced by NHM contractual staff who deliver these services at the ground level? And also, sir, in your reply, you have mentioned about the expenditure and the population. In a country with 150 crore population, I think the better indicator would be the target population and the percentage being screened. Thank you, sir.
Sir, this is a very good question I would like to answer. First of all, we have to understand that in 2017 health policy, we have made it a holistic approach. Before that, it was only curative part which we are taking care. Now it is preventive, promotional, curative, palliative, rehabilitative, all aspects together, and it is a comprehensive health coverage which we are giving. For this, we have made 1,81,000 Ayushman Arogya Mandir, which includes sub-centers, PHCs, and to some extent CHCs also, where we have the ASHA workers at the grassroots level, we have the community health officer at the Ayushman Arogya level, and we have got the doctors also. What we do is, we ask the ASHA workers and the Panchayat Pradhans to bring people to the Ayushman Arogya Mandir before they reach the age of 30 for screenning for hypertension, diabetes, for cancer, for oral cancer, for cervix cancer for women, and breast cancer. And early detection we are trying to do. We have got 12 types of packages in which we care for the dental care, mental care, all cares are taken care. I would like to make the House aware that for hypertension, we have screened 39.7 crores, out of which diagnosed hypertension is 6 crores 7 lakhs, and on treatment are 5 crore 3 lakhs. Diabetes, sir, 39 crores 6 lakh have been screened, 4.5 crore have been diagnosed, and 3.2 crores are being treated. The same way for oral cancer, 34 crores have been screened, 1 crore 98 lakhs have been diagnosed, and 1 crore 84 lakh are being treated. Breast cancer, 16 crores have been screened, 47.136 lakh has been diagnosed, and 28.877 are being treated. Cervix cancer, 8 crores have been screened, 70 crores have been diagnosed, and 63.879 are being treated. The same way, we also had a program at this point of time, Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar. In that also, we did more than 1 crore 78 lakhs were screened for hypertension, diabetes 1 crore 73 crores, oral cancer 69 lakhs, breast cancer 37 lakhs, cervix cancer 19 lakhs. So this is the point of first contact where we are trying to screen to the maximum, and we are trying to give them the interventions at all levels. We also have telecommunication and telemedicine, telemanas. E-Sanjeevani. According to E-Sanjeevani, we have a direct relationship where the community health officer talks to the doctor, and the doctor prescribes the medicine, and that is being administered by the community health officer to the patient. And that is the first point of contact with you.
अन्य सदस्यगण, ये विषय न्यायालय में विचाराधीन है, और जिस विषय पर आप बोल रहे हैं उसमें सरकार का कोई विषय नहीं है। ये न्यायालय का निर्णय का विषय है। दिस मैटर इज अंडर सब जुडिस। प्लीज मैं आपसे आग्रह कर रहा हूँ सदन की कार्रवाई को बाधित नहीं करें। आप अपनी अपनी सीट पर विराजें। ये सरकार न राज्य सरकार का विषय है न केंद्र सरकार का विषय है। ये अदालत